plan because he would never fall. He's that good. HB Wakeboarding School, he runs that. So there you go. Brent, as we see, he's doing the signal for us right now.
Yeah, so you can see he's giving us a signal that he's okay. It wasn't too bad of a wipeout, but it's always good to communicate with your down skier to make sure they're not injured. Injuries can happen where the board will come off and come up and hit you in the face. I've seen where people have lost their teeth or broken their nose or whatnot. So the big thing now we're going to talk about is, Greg's pulling back up to the down skier. And, you want to, first of all, put the boat between the skier and any oncoming boat traffic. That's the most important thing. Now, there's no boat traffic here right now, so Greg's approaching from the driver's side or the starboard side. So that's so that Greg can have the best view of where the skier is and make sure that he approaches and, obviously doesn't hit the skier. You also want to pay attention to the wind. So what you don't want to do is approach on the windward side, because if it's strong winds, the wind can blow the boat into the skier, So you want to approach from the leeward side so that, he'll kind of come into you.
Okay. So what are some of the other things we need to know out here?
Well, the other thing that's important too is making sure you have a reboarding device. Now this Sea Ray has got a nice swim ladder back there, and I don't know if Mark's too tired out to use his arms to get back in, but
we've asked a lot of him this morning.
But if you don't, there's you can buy some ladders that you hang over the side so you can sort of help get skiers back into the boat. But most of these boats nowadays, if they're wakeboard boats, they've got these swim platforms.
If it didn't, we've talked about this before, what you do if someone were to fall overboard or how you get them back in the boat.
Exactly. Now, Greg's turned the engine off here. That's obviously important too. You've got a prop back there. Even if it's in neutral, I feel better when you turn the boat off completely. Obviously, you need to pay attention to boat traffic, but there's a prop back there that can cause a lot of damage to skiers. So you want to pay a lot of attention to that and make sure, safety is obviously the most important thing.